Welcome to Microscope Adventures, Aquatic Explorers. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of freshwater creatures, Daphnia, also known as water fleas. These tiny invertebrates may seem simple, but under the microscope, they reveal a complex and vital role in aquatic ecosystems. Ponds and lakes teem with tiny life, and Daphnia are some of the most important inhabitants. Let's take a closer look. We have a prepared slide with a few Daphnia in a drop of water. Remember, Daphnia are transparent, so we can see their internal structures quite well under the microscope. Wow! Look at those feathery appendages. Those are Daphnia's legs, which they use for swimming and filtering food particles from the water. See the heart near the center of its body? Amazing, right? Even though Daphnia are small, they are multicellular organisms. That means their bodies are made up of many tiny cells working together. We can see some of these cells under the microscope, especially in the compound lens. Daphnia are a vital food source for many fish and other aquatic animals. They also play a role in cleaning the water by filtering out algae and other organic matter. Look at its mouth. A healthy Daphnia population is a sign of a healthy freshwater ecosystem. By using our microscope, we were able to see the amazing complexity of these tiny water fleas. Daphnia's efficient feeding habits and simple yet effective body structure make them essential for the health of our ponds and lakes. The underwater world is full of fascinating creatures, big and small. What other aquatic organisms are you curious about? Leave a comment below, and let's explore them together in our next microscope adventure.